Hello, welcome to the greatest country. The greatest country around the world is Guatemala. So we live in Guatemala. I'm going to show you beautiful places in our country. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So here we have Antigua Guatemala. So Antigua Guatemala is beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let's continue with Tikal. So Tikal is awesome. It's really awesome. So now, what do you think? What place is the next one? What do you think? Rio Dulce. So Rio Dulce is hot. Let's continue with what place? Do you know it? Let's continue with Atitlan. So Atitlan is amazing. It's really amazing. It's so beautiful too. As you know, Guatemala has a lot of beautiful places. You can use a lot of adjectives to describe places, and also you can use the verb to be. It is your turn to describe them. So we are going to practice how to describe these places. Let's start. It's your practice. Okay, so how do you describe this place? If I ask you how do you describe this place, so what do you tell me? What can you tell me? And this place? How can you describe this nice place? Tell me. Let's continue with this one. So, could you please describe it? How can you describe it? It's an awesome place. And this one? What can you tell me about it? Well done, congratulations. So you have described our awesome places. See you on next video. Bye, thanks, bye. It's what made by Casey Fagato.